Controls are pretty simple. This is the mouth. And you can feel when it stops and go more, and there's the tongue. This is the sneer right here, so you can do either one separately or combine the two. The eyes, it's got the following eyelids. And again, you could not be doing this with the index finger. I tried it, and it's definitely a thumb thing. And then this is the blink. Oh, and then the eyes wide is just a blink backwards. To remove the head, this valet keychain is basically the device that keeps the head in the body. This part is in the bottom of the head stick. This part is in the body. So you just and then it's locked in. And that's to remove it. Now the trap door is an easy access sort of thing. It lifts up and then back. And there's two settings. Actually, this is probably performance setting when it goes like that. But then you can tilt it, slip it down, and it opens more. That's if you want to, I don't know, go in there and monkey around. And it rests on a pin. So when you're performing, gravity will probably be fine in keeping it on. It's not going to just fall off. So it rests on a pin. But for travel and stuff, there is a lock here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks basically like a piece of hair sticking up. It's right there. And what this does is if you wiggle it forward and then clamp it down, that's a lock that will prevent the head from the trap door from moving up at all. Unlock it. This is probably a bit much for performance, so we'd probably keep it unlocked for performance because again, it won't just come off. While I'm at it, I might as well just show you the index controlled one. It's got, you know, the index finger here. You do the sneer trigger still. And this allows you to do the eyes and the mouth at the same time. But otherwise it's the same. You got the eyes in the back.